So much for being here. Let's start in a comfortable cross-legged seat. Take your time getting into this first position. Of course, feel free to sit up on a blanket or a block or anything that supports you today. We'll start by just exhale to release. Open the eyes if you close them. Bring the hands to the knees, so palms to the knees. And we're gonna just start with a little circular motion, leading with the chest. So as you come forward, think about smoothing your chest forward. And then as you round through the spine and come back, think about drawing your chin to your chest. Inhaling, chest comes forward. Exhaling, we come around, chin to chest. Just taking a deep inhale in together. And a long exhale out together. And if it feels right for you today, you might close the eyes as we breathe in together here. And breathe out together. And one more time, just like this, inhale in.